Guys, how you're doing. So this is the Spire Junior build from Doomsday. And I've already made a video of this on my Rumble, which is going to be, it's linked in the video description, labeled Uncut. That shows you how to install it. I'm sort of restricted on what I can actually show you on here, so I can only just talk you through it. I rate it as a non-Debrid friendly build, meaning that if you have Debrid, you can use it. If you don't have Debrid, you can't use it. The only issue I'm having right now as I launch it is what did it say? Samsung TV. So I don't know if I close it and then relaunch it, see if that's corrected itself. If not, then that'll be a change to fix somehow. But when you open it, you get the splash screen saying Aspire Junior, and then you can see you got your main video add-ons. You've got Scrubs, you've got Umbrella, Black Lightning, and you've got some others, especially Neoflix. Very important. It's to me, I rate it as the best one-click add-on for new releases. Ah, the error hasn't come up, so that's great. It's been corrected. And I can't. I've not tried the Aspire build, the original one, in, I don't know, is it a year or I don't know, 6 months plus. So I don't know how to if I can compare the both of them. But I think I do remember it may have other top level the Debrid add-ons such as Seven, could have Fen Light. I'm not too sure, but this one has Umbrella, and I rate Umbrella as the best Debrid scraper add-on. And it got Scrubs. Scrubs is the original non-Debrid scraper add-on. And you've got the best one, some of the best one clicks there. That's on your home screen. Then when you go to movies and TV shows, the widgets are non-Debrid friendly, which is great. So that means anyone can use it. You can recommend this build to anyone. I'm going to recommend it to be one of the best out there. I already rate Aspire build, the original one, as a reference build. It's from Australia. You got Diggs from the States. You got Dr. Manhattan and Freedom from the UK. So you got everything covered. I mean, these builds don't all have the same add-ons. They have this one's got some unique ones. Same with like Diggs and Dr. Manhattan build. So you just check to see what you like. But it's really good. You've got two sport play pages, live TV. You got music. You got the wizard. You can see the full stop bit at the system there, which you guys can probably see because I'm not showing you everything. But yeah, I really do like this. The reason why, of course, is the skin. It's the Influence skin is my favourite Kodi skin. I like it. And I really do like what Big Kev has done with all of this. How he customizes the skin. With the graphics, he messes about with the XMLs files, goes in and does all of that stuff. So he does put a lot of work into it, with all the extra little detail. And of course, he's got some great add-ons in there as well. So all I can say is try it out. With you see the downloader code at the beginning, you do need to click on the settings clog, because the Doomsday repo's there, and then I think you have to just go into program add-ons for the Doomsday simple wizard, I believe, and then that'll take you into it. Because some people say, oh, you load the Kodi fork, and it's empty. Not all Kodi forks has, like a wizard just automatically, that's already pre-installed. The repo is there. You don't need to type in any URL. You have to click on install from repository, program add-ons, blah, 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 like that. If you get stuck, got my email address and all that stuff in the video description. But yeah, this one, I rate this because, like I said before, he's got a Debrid page. And that's great because a lot of these builds that come out, the builders do it how they like, of course. And they normally use widgets that just conform to Debrid. And so, of course, people click on it and they say, Nick, doesn't work. It doesn't work. Yeah, because you don't have a Debrid. You know, blah blah blah. So this one makes it easy for everybody to use. All right, and you don't need to have loads of Debrid scraper add-ons. You don't. Umbrellas are it's the best one. It's the one I rate. That is good enough. And then of course you got the one-click stuff. It's like I like quick access and stuff. But for serious viewing, when you ready to watch something, switch the light off or whatever like that, then you have to use the umbrella if you got Debrid. All right, then, guys. I've sort of given more information and show you more stuff about this in the Rumble on my Rumble channel. But yeah, I like it. This is gonna be my recommended top builds out there for 2025. And what month we're in? We're in August now. So great. This is a new build as well. He didn't have to make this because you already got one with the same name, but he did. All right, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.